Hello everyone. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Mafia The Old Country Sorry Something Went Wrong error on PC. To fix the issue, start by clicking on the search bar located on your taskbar and typing Device Manager. When it appears, click on it to open the window that displays several options. Next, expand the Display Adapters section, right-click on Intel R, HD Graphics 530. Then, select Update Driver to ensure your graphics driver is up to date. Another way to resolve the problem is by opening the Start menu and selecting Run. In the Run box, type TEMP and click OK. When the folder opens, delete all the temporary files displayed there. You can also try updating your Windows system. To do this, open the search bar on the taskbar and type Settings. Then, open Settings and select Windows Update from the left-hand panel. After that, click Check for Updates and install any available updates to make sure your computer is running the latest version of Windows. Finally, restart your computer to complete the process. To restart, open the search bar on the taskbar, click the power button, and select Restart. Your PC will then reboot, which should help resolve the issue. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.